Tired of your Microsoft Teams name being a total misnomer? Let's fix that right now in under 90 seconds. First things first, look to the top right-hand corner of your Teams window. You'll see your profile picture or your initials if you haven't uploaded a picture yet. Click on that. A menu will drop down. From this menu, select Manage Account. This is your gateway to all things account-related in Teams. Clicking Manage Account will open your Microsoft account settings, usually in a new browser window. Locate the section labeled Your Info, Profile, or something similar indicating personal account information. Click to go to that page. On your profile page, you'll find the option to edit your name. Look for a button or link that says Edit Name, Change Name, or something along those lines. It might be near your current name display. Now you can type in your desired first name and last name. Make sure you spell everything correctly. This is your chance to get it right. Once you've entered your new name, click the Save or Apply button, or any button that confirms the name change. This is crucial. Without saving, your changes won't take effect. Now, head back to your Microsoft Teams app. It might take a minute or two for the change to fully propagate, so be patient. Once it updates, you should see your corrected name displayed everywhere in Teams. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name in Microsoft Teams. Now you can confidently collaborate and communicate without the confusion of a mistaken identity.